Yes. You know these Mensa awards that you can get? Yeah. I wanted to get some of those, and I thought if we were to freeze the Arctic, yes, and then we were to melt some of Antarctica, a controlled melt of the outer rim of it, it might make a difference in global warming as well as the actual rotation of planet Earth. Yes. Now, somebody decided that we were going to do what today? We're going to violate the laws of the United States. Yes. We're not going to enforce the civil rights of those that are smart. Yes. And then we're going to spend all weekend drinking and kind of laughing it up about how, well, a lot of these smart people in Mensa, yeah, men or women, because we have intellectuals in both groups, yes. I think that this context of incompetence, a legal term applied to people who, because of their age or mental disability, are found by a court to be unable to act for themselves in a legal capacity. You remember when you said I was mentally incompetent? Pooch. But then I had been emailing you that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington. Yes. But you wouldn't admit the evidence. And then you said, City of Sequim, that I'm mentally incompetent. Oh, I asked you once, well, how do I assist in my own defense? And how is it possible that I don't understand the nature of the proceedings against myself? Yes, when I wasn't in that city. Oh, oh. Now, um, this is on my background check, isn't it? Oh, um, 20th of October, 2016 at 1:35 p.m. Yeah. Bruce Anafi and Matt Rom. Yeah. This question of a privileged client attorney privilege. Yeah. Where I call and say, well, I have 3 weeks to do the mental health evaluation and I had the blood nausea. Exactly who was it that told Judge Porter? Excuse me, Judge. Exactly how fucking smart are you? Um, Defendant is unlikely to regain competency within the treatment period allowed. Yeah. Now, I'm incompetent. Pooch. I keep sending you emails, right, documenting crimes. I continued to tell you that I did not receive actual notice of hearings. Yes. Hmm. There's uh, there's no signature of the petitioner, or is that a witness that I could call on my behalf when being accused of crimes? Because you intentionally tampered with my witness and you made up crimes that I didn't commit. Now, this signature, right, is that a forgery? Because it doesn't look like this signature. Oh, and that protected person, yeah. Hmm. I didn't receive actual notice of court hearings. Pooch. But you said I did when I didn't. Now, is there any possible way you could stop being stupid? Even the smartest people in humanity understand that you can be prosecuted for obstructing justice. Now, when I told you I wanted my sons, you decided to be the stupid police department. I want my sons. I want you to remove your fraudulent court orders. Then I want to sue you. Now, your answer to every question is you're going to arrest people that you dislike because of their intellectual ability. And you'd rather arrest those that are mentally disabled, incompetent, than have to work with somebody that has an above average intelligence, as in intelligence quotient. Now, you played me like I was stupid. Oh, I'm playing you like you're stupid. Do you understand? Now, when I send you an email, right, where the Mensa Foundation, yes, Look at here, Taylor Foreman got one of those scholarships. My 4 years at Harvard were such an amazing, life-changing journey. This young woman, yes, and she is a woman, right? She went to Harvard. Now, how many police and sheriffs went to Harvard? Let's get all the Ivy League sheriffs. Well, when we look at your actual criminology degree, how many of those in law enforcement are graduates of any Ivy League school? I know, I'm not a graduate. Oh, but I did make that $1 million in 5 years, and not everybody can do that.